Rather than make another video telling you who Kinsley Construction is, we figured it's about time we tell you who we're not. Kinsley Construction isn't your typical construction company, and we refuse to play the part. Our leaders aren't afraid to roll up their sleeves and jump in when the going gets tough. We don't turn our noses up to small jobs or shy away from big challenges. We don't ignore those who've helped us along the way, and we sure as hell don't forget the people who make us who we are. And let's make one thing crystal clear. We'll never lose sight of our roots. Because we're not your typical construction company. We're hard-working, blue-collar men and women that put our all into construction done right.